Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Santissima Trinidad cross section that I actually got from the Black Friday sales. Because I thought that it would be a really nice side project to while I build the Missouri. I have the Missouri in the workshop. However, I can actually build this upstairs when I'm not in the workshop to fill my free time. That way I can actually be with my family and still do stuff, building stuff. So I just thought that I wanted to share the unboxing with you, as I've never seen this kit before. Figured that it would be exciting to take a look at. So let's just get the box open. Should be a fairly quick review. There we go. So straight off the bat, we have well, we can might as well just start with this here. The accessories, barrels, all sorts of barrels and crates. I think you need to pack these in some sort of linen or maybe some sailcloth, I don't know. Pretty sure that this is gun wheels, gun carriages wheels as well. Frames for the guns, maybe some cannonballs, chain, nails, blocks, all sorts of stuff, cratings. So yeah, that looks pretty good. A color reference, and then we have all the wood that's needed. We have different types of wood here. We have white wood, it's probably for the masts, I would reckon. We have some sapele wood. We have some walnut. Oh, you can't see anything. Sorry. Here, white wood for the mast. Some sapele wood and some walnut, square walnut strips. Looks pretty decent, really nice as well. And we have some more here, probably some deck planking, I would assume. We have some more walnut here and some sapele as well. All pretty neat as well. Then we have this part. Probably need to open that. Then we have stones, a bag full of stones for ballast. You can probably get some sand from the beach and put that in. That will probably work scale wise as well. So that's for ballast, stones for ballast. Just get this box out of the way. The instructions. It's not that big. Again, it's also a small build, but it shows pretty much how you build the entire ship or build the entire section. You can probably do loads of different stuff with that. Maybe even just put some planks over the frames so you can still see the framework on some of the decks. Weathering wise, you could weather it really nice. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. As I said, this is a side project. My main project is still the USS Missouri, and that's what I'm going to concentrate on. But when I do get upstairs, I just can't sit and watch television or just, yeah, I need to do something with my hands. So I figured that this is the least messiest thing that I could that I could get my hands on. So I was allowed from my wife to build this upstairs. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna film it, and I don't know when I'm gonna release the videos. It might be if I miss a video upload of Missouri, this will could probably take that place. I don't know yet. I'm not in a hurry in building it. As I said, it's just a side project. Showing how to do the gun carriages and stairs, and the ballast, and all sorts of stuff here. All the accessories that goes within the ship. The yard arms, mast, stuff like that. Overview of all the views, all the parts that you get. On how to rig the ship, the rigging plans, and again rigging plans, and again rigging plans, and where to tie the different stuff, tie the different rigging lines onto the deck. So that looks pretty nice. This is probably the this is the instructions, and the part list. So written instructions and part list here in this booklet, and then this is the one-to-one drawings of the main mast and the crow's nest and whatnot, and yard arms and sails and all stuff. It is the same scale as the Santissima Trinidad, the whole ship that you buy, and it's basically just a section of that ship. Well, it's the section where the main mast is, that you're doing. I also have the Santissima Trinidad, the whole ship, waiting to be built as well. So, rigging thread. All the rigging thread that you need to rig the ship. Other stuff here, you probably need to put some into the different decks of the ship, to imitate some sort of cargo. All the sails that you need, fold it together. The big one, so it's still gonna be a big ship, or it's not a big ship, a big model. It's I think it's 87 centimeters long, so it has the same height as the entire ship. You got flags, and then you got the extra sailcloth for putting crates in, and for cargo. Maybe imitate some sailcloth in the hull as well. So yeah, let's see. Open the all this here. This is all the frames and woods that you're gonna use. So this is the building stand. As far as I know, you cut out the frames of the ship and you glue them to this stand, and then you have something to work on. So it's a working stand. And then I think you need to cut these off here once it's done, and then there should be another stand somewhere, maybe, or if not, you're probably gonna need one. Yeah, no, I can't see any extra stand or anything, so it's probably you probably need to modify that one, or maybe I just can't see it. But this is what you get. Oh yeah, here it is. Sorry. So this is the stand here that you're gonna end up with. Obviously, you probably need to stain it or paint it or something like that. Yeah. Working stand, as I said, the gun carriages as well, pretty nicely cut. You also need to stain these. We probably need to stain a lot of things. The gun carriages as well. You can paint them paint them red. I think they are on the original ship, or was on the original ship. Crow's nest, deck, the bulwarks here for the gun ports, and then you have decks here as well. And probably some stairs. They're probably in the stairs are probably in the box here. Yeah, they're in the box. So yeah, that's a little side project of mine that I can build when so I can be upstairs with my families when I'm done filming and building the Missouri, which is right here beside me or above me. So yeah, thank you very much for joining me, and I hopefully that you will join me in the build once I get all the things uploaded and build. As I said, it's not a it's going to be a long one because I spend most of my time, well, all of the time that I have in spare, I'm going to spend on Missouri. So at one point I might I have enough footage so I can actually sit upstairs and do something like this. So, and maybe I'm behind on the schedule, but I can still maintain my regular upload on Fridays, and then it's just going to be the Santissima cross section. So hopefully you will like this and be a part of that journey as well. So I'm going to pack all this stuff together and say again thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again next time. Cheers, bye.